Hi guys, welcome to Proper Food. Today I'm going to show you how to make the crispiest roast potatoes ever. The first thing we're going to do is parboil our potatoes. So here I've got a pan of boiling salted water. Marrow piper potato, so peel it. Now about this sort of size I've probably cut into 4. Get that into the pan and then boil away for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's just starting to break up around the edges. I've drained off the potatoes. Now come and check out the texture. Now you might think I've taken these a little bit too far, but I promise you I haven't. This is how we get the scrumpy bits. You might be asking yourself, what are scrumpy bits? Comment down below what you call them where you're from. So they're the crispy, gnarly bits that kind of skag up in the bottom of the pan. And actually they're the best bits. So here's the first tip when it comes to cooking the perfect roast potato. Get your tray preheated. I'm just using vegetable oil here, but get it piping hot so when the potatoes go into the pan, they start to cook straight away. That way you'll get them perfectly fluffy in the middle and golden brown and crispy on the outside. Get the potatoes into the oil and then just use a pair of tongs just to make sure that they're really coated in the oil. Just give them a little turn. The first thing we're going to need is seasoning. So a good pinch of salt, a nice grinding of black pepper. Then these potatoes need to go into an oven preheated to 180 gas mark 4 for 30 minutes. The potatoes have had 30 minutes and they're beautiful and golden brown already. Now at this stage, most people might take them out. This is where the real secret is. A glass. So take a glass and then just use that to just gently crush the top of the potatoes. This is how you get the most crispy, delicious potatoes you've ever eaten in your life. So we're nearly ready for the oven, but I've got a couple more flavours for you. I've got some beautiful sprigs of fresh rosemary. Just get that in, tear it up. That will flavour the oil, will flavour the potatoes, and will make such a difference. If you've got some fresh thyme as well, absolutely incredible as well. So that goes in. And I've also got a bulb of garlic. I've just split it horizontally. That goes into the tray, back into the oven for another 15 or 20 minutes. These are so delicious. Beautiful golden roast potatoes with garlic and rosemary. Just get them into a bowl. Make sure you pick up some of that garlic, some of that rosemary. This is the ultimate accompaniment to a perfect Sunday lunch. Before I sign off, I just want to show you this. You take these to the table, your family are gonna love you. Roast potatoes don't get any better than that. If you like that recipe, make sure you hit that subscribe button and comment down below which recipes you'd like to see me cook for you guys in the future. I'm probably gonna smash this whole bowl of potatoes in now. These are so bloody good.